Hello guys.
Hi.
So good morning everyone. Today we were going to talk about marriage is scary. But for the first, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Dewi Putri Rachmawati with student number 048. I am as Lily, a person who has been married for 5 years and has a more mature view of marriage.
And I am Fitrata Nufus Mutawalihah with student number 060 as Lala, a recent breakup who is unsure about marriage.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Rizky. As a Lolo, as a psychologist who often provide marriage counseling.
Lolo, I'm seriously thinking about marriage. In the past, I always imagined marriage to be very romantic, like in the movie. But now that more and more people are getting divorced, I'm really scared to get married actually.
I totally understand how you feel, La. I used to think that too. But after 5 years of marriage, I realized that marriage is not as easy as we thought.
Yeah.
There are so many challenges we have to face.
That's very natural.
Yeah.
Our perception of marriage is influenced by what we see on the social media, on the story that people around us. In fact, every marriage is unique and has dynamics.
Okay, so Lolo, what makes marriage so complicated? I need maybe an explanation.
Marriage is like building a house. It requires solid teamwork, strong commitment, and infinite patience. Many factors can affect marriage success, ranging from character differences and financial problems to pressure from the neighborhood.
I totally agree with Lolo. One of the biggest challenges we often face is communications. Sometimes we feel like we have spoken clearly, but our partner is misunderstanding.
So, how do you make your marriage last? Is there a formula for a happy marriage?
Unfortunately, there is no exact formula for happy marriage,
Okay.
but there are some things that we can do to increase the chances of the success, such as learning to understand our partner, building effective communication, and committing to solving problems together.
Okay. So, what makes marriage scary actually?
Many factors can make someone afraid of getting married. One of them is fear of losing freedom. In the past, maybe we might have been able to do whatever that we want, but after marriage, we must share our lives with someone else, which requires commitment.
Then there's also a social pressure. We often feel like we must get married at a certain age or because of family demands. In fact, marriage is a personal decision that must be made after careful considerations.
Okay, that's true. I know. Then, how about we talk about finances? That's also one of the main causes of divorce.
Financial problems are indeed one of the major challenges in marriage. Lack of communication about finance, different lifestyle, inability to manage finance together can be a source of serious conflict. Research shows that financial problems one of the leading causes of divorce in many countries.
Apart from that, there's also issues of communication, which is often the root of many problems in marriage. If we can communicate that well, all the problems will get bigger.
Okay, so how can we overcome this fear?
The first thing
Yeah.
is to build strong foundation before marriage. Make sure that your partner have a similar values, alike with life goals and strong commitment to building a family. Secondly, don't be afraid to ask your professional help if you have a difficulties. Marriage therapists can provide useful tools and strategies to overcome problems in the relationship.
Also, don't forget to keep learning and growing with your partner.
Yeah.
Marriage is like a journey. We must keep adapting and changing.
Okay. Lily and Lolo. So the point is that marriage is not as easy as we think, right? But with careful preparation and open communication, we can build a happy and lasting marriage. But actually, I often hear story about people cheating. That's one of the reason why so many marriages fail, isn't it?
That's right.
Hmm.
Cheating is indeed a big threat to marriage.
Yeah.
Usually, cheating occurs because if unmet emotional needs in the relationships. Maybe one partner doesn't feel care about that or doesn't feel love anymore.
I once read an article that said that too high expectations can also be a problem in marriage. We often imagine that marriage is like a fairy tale and where everything is always perfect. But in reality, isn't always that beautiful.
Yes, that's so true, Lily. Unrealistic expectation can make us disappointed about and feel like our marriage is failing. We need to learn to accept our partners for who they are, like accept their strength or their weakness.
Okay, so what if we have tried our best, but our marriage still can be saved? Do we have to keep going even though we are already unhappy?
That's a difficult question, Muhammad. There is no right or wrong answer. Everyone's situation is different, but it's important to remember that marriage is commitment. If you feel that your marriage is beyond repair, maybe divorce be the best option.
I've also heard about the importance of social support in marriage. Family and friends can give us strength and encouragement to face challenges.
That's right. Social support is very important to maintain our mental and emotional health. When we struggle, we can share our stories to those closest of us. They can give us the advice and maybe support that we need.
Oh, besides that, we also must take time to ourselves. We shouldn't focus too much on our partner or and forget about our own needs.
Oh, so marriage is full of challenges, right, Lolo, Lily? But with good communication, social support, and strong commitment, we can build a happy and lasting marriage.
Exactly, Ra. Marriage is a long journey. There are times when we will have ups and downs. The important thing is that we keep trying to improve our relationship and
Yeah.
support each other.
Okay.
From today talks,
Yeah.
marriage is a long journey filled with ups and downs. Our perception of marriage is often idealistic, but the reality is much more complex. The success of marriage is not only determined by romantic factors, but also by the commitment, effective communication, a willingness to continue learning and growing with your partner.
Okay. Oh, we have spent so much time. For lunch, we talk about marriage. Yeah.
Wow, where has the time gone? It feels like we just start talking, but it's
Yeah.
been over 2 hours already.
Yeah.
I can't believe it's been that long. So we go back to our office.
Yeah.
We shall see you in another time. If it was great to talk with you guys.
Let's spice talks up next time with a more interesting topic. Alright. Bye bye.
Alright guys, that's our talk about marriage is scary. Thank you for watching and see you in another time. Bye
See you next
bye.
video. Jadi biar kita nggak yang Hai. Loh. Harusnya. Dia yang bikin ketawa, Del.
This paling jadi.
Dia yang ketawa loh. Astaga. Max Perry.
Kenapa sudah serius juga?
Tak tampung apa. Ini yang dibayakin nanti kayak gini. Dia nggak mesti sumpah. Aku apa gini tadi tuh.